Today I'm going to be talking about how to use the brake hold feature on a Toyota RAV4. You can see right here, this is what the button looks like. This could be something after you purchase the vehicle that you're not so sure about. It's a bit ambiguous, you're not sure what it would mean just by looking at it. So that's what I'm going to cover in this video. So basically the function of the hold button is to apply the brake automatically when the car is stopped, when it's in drive, in sport mode, or in neutral. This can be used, for example, when you're at a red light and you want to give your foot a rest. You can make sure brake hold is activated, and once you come to a complete stop, you'll be able to take your foot off the brake without the car moving forward. There are a few things that would prevent the brake hold function from turning on. That would be if your door is open and you try to press the button. You'll hear a beeping sound and you'll get this message: brake hold unavailable, driver door open. The other reason would be if your seatbelt is off and you press the brake hold button. Again, you'll get a beeping noise and this message. So I'm in an empty parking lot here where I can test the brake hold function for you. So we'll go ahead and start by pressing the button to turn it on. And this can be done while you're stopped or while you're driving. It's always safe to turn that on. And you'll see when you do that, you'll see that green hold button appear on the right side of the dashboard. And that's how you know that it's activated. Now that brake hold is activated, I'm going to go ahead and put it in drive. And start going forward. Now I'm going to come to a stop here, put my foot on the brake, complete stop. You'll see that an orange hold button appears right below the green hold button. And that means that I can safely take my foot off the brake and the vehicle will not move forward. And when you're ready to move forward, all you need to do is hit the gas pedal and the brake will disengage. Now you can only do this for up to 3 minutes as a safety feature. If I would stay with the car and drive with my foot off the brake for about 3 minutes, there would be a warning that pops up and my car will automatically engage the parking brake, which I would have to disengage to keep moving forward. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes and you'll see that we just got a warning light there. And now the electronic parking brake has been applied automatically. You'll see down here, the light is on the parking brake. So that means that the parking brake is on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press in the brake again, shift into park, then we can shift back into drive, and we're ready to go again. Now once you're done using brake hold, it's very easy to turn off. This can be done while you're stopped or while you're moving. If you're going to do it while you're stopped, make sure your foot is on the brake, and you can go ahead and press the hold button again, and that turns it off. Again, you can also do that while you're moving, and there's no need to put your foot on the brake while you're moving. Also, this will turn off automatically when you turn off the car and turn it back on. Hopefully this video helped you understand how to use the hold button on your Toyota. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at RAV4resource.com.